For thousands of years, Chinese culture has viewed calligraphy as a form of painting, and painting as calligraphic. Manifesting as a two-dimensional art form, Chinese calligraphy actually results from the process of three-dimensional stroke body motion. It is a deeply physical and philosophical practice, rooted in the intricate three-dimensional gestures of the body, infused with breath, emotion, and intention. The multimedia performance Embodied Ink aims to reveal the invisible movement and emotion underlying Chinese calligraphy. It transcends the presentation form of this traditional medium, immerses its viewer in a multi-sensory environment with a poetic experience of calligraphy. Drawing inspiration from art history research on the three schools of Chinese calligraphy, seal script, standard script, and cursive script, it reconceives the physical media in terms of virtual potentialities, fixed forms in terms of forces and moving particles. The performance unfolds in 5 distinct stages, each exploring a unique interplay between movement and meaning. The technical process integrates motion capture, generative AI, and biometric feedback to bridge physical and virtual realms. Dancers' body motion and gestures are captured via OptiTrack and Kinect camera. They are processed through Touch Designer and Stable Diffusion, trained on a curated calligraphy dataset, into abstract calligraphic visuals and dynamic flows that echo the fluidity of wind, water, and sound. The body motion is thus translated into real-time dynamic calligraphy. Simultaneously, Emotibit sensors collect biodata such as heart rate and muscle tension, modulating the opacity of brushstrokes, intensity of visual effects, and generative soundscapes in response to the dancer's physiological state. This biophysical feedback loop transforms the performer into a living brush, their body's hidden kinetics, pressure, torsion, rhythm, made visible as dynamic ink traces. We reimagine the physical medium of calligraphy as a realm of virtual possibilities, transforming its fixed forms into dynamic forces and moving particles. The music composition has 2 key motifs. The first is melodic line like a brushstroke, extending fluidly, capturing the movement and directional transformation of calligraphy. The second is a continuous loop of the pentatonic scale underpins the composition. Each calligraphic style is paired with unique oscillator waveforms, simulating variations in brush pressure, speed, and tactile interaction. Culturally, embodied ink expands calligraphy's legacy into contemporary discourse, offering a model for reanimating intangible practices through immersive technology. Its hybrid approach, merging motion capture, biodata, and generative AI, dissolves boundaries between choreography, computation, and visual art. The piece invites viewers to experience calligraphy as a living, ever-changing art form. This work premiered at the 2024 New INSEE Demo closing performance at the New Museum of Contemporary Art in New York, selected into 2025 CVPR AI Art Gallery.